Hello, good morning, all of you children. I hope you all are fine. Let's start GK lesson 2 Most Beautiful Places in India. Okay, children, you are already aware that India has variety of landforms. We have plains, plateaus, valleys, mountains, hills, right? And because of their location and height, they have different type of climate, different type of soils, and because of different types of soils, different types of fruits, flowers, vegetables are grown there. Okay, so and every landform has its own beauty. Because of this variety of landforms, different types of climate, life of people, then culture of different areas, they make the they make India very rich in every manner, culture wise, beauty wise. So there are many beautiful places, and everywhere we have lakhs of people, lakhs of tourists visiting our country from throughout the world. They visit these places. So, in this chapter, we are going to visit certain most beautiful places of our country. See this picture. It is a grazing pasture famous for its rich variety of flowers, situated at a height of 3,596.64 meters above the sea level. This place is bounded by Himalayan mountains in the north of Sikkim. So, what do you mean by grazing pasture? It has grazing means children charna. Okay, pasture means grassland. So these are famous for their grassland which is being grazed by animals, as well as they are famous for variety of flowers, and that makes this place absolute green and beautiful colorful flowers that make this place very beautiful. It is at a great height. Okay children, and it is situated in the Himalayan mountains in the north of Sikkim. Okay, and what is it called? Yamthang Valley. It is called Yamthang Valley. Okay, now see this one. This. This place is recognized for having some of the best and the most beautiful tea gardens in the world. It appears as if the ground is covered with bright green blanket. Look at this picture. It's a picture of tea garden. Picture of tea garden. It is so beautiful. Absolute green. Why it is saying that it looks as if it is covered by green blanket? Why? Because nothing you can see. You can see only green. It looks as if someone has covered the whole area with a green carpet. And this is the most famous and beautiful tea gardens, one of the most beautiful and famous tea gardens in the world. And it is situated in Mannar. Now let's see the third picture. It is a spectacular sand dunes found here. India's most spectacular sand dunes are found here. What do you mean by sand dunes? You have learned, you remember, sand dunes are, what are sand dunes? Sand dunes are the low hills of sand. Low hills of sand that are called sand dunes. This you'll find this in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. You'll find this in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, and sand dunes are found in deserts, right? They are found in deserts. Now the fourth place in our destination is a waterfall which is located in Tamil Nadu. It is 150 kilometers away from Bangalore. So what is waterfall? When the river falls down from a great height into the valley below, that is called waterfall. And that makes very beautiful scene, it's a beautiful to watch a waterfall. So this waterfall is worth watching where many tourists throughout the world visit every year. It is called Hoginkal Fall. It is called Hoginkal Fall in Bangalore. Now see, this is the picture of a saltwater lake. And this is the world's highest saltwater lake. It is situated at the height about 4,350 meters. And this spectacular lakeside can be reached after a 5-hour drive from Leh. If you want to go from Leh, you have to drive at least 5 hours, then you can reach this place. It is the world's highest saltwater lake. Beautiful sight. See, it is called Pangong Lake. The next is a Valley of Flowers. Okay, it is an Indian national park located in Uttarakhand. It is known for a variety of plants, including alpine flowers. It is a World Heritage Site known for its outstanding beauty. What do you mean by alpine flower? Alpine flowers means the flowers which grow at a great height, not only great height, at a very steep mountains. Very difficult to reach and very dangerous also. Okay, they are at a great height and the steep mountains. And it is in World Heritage. It is World Heritage Site known as its outstanding beauty. What do you mean by World Heritage Site? Means the site or the place which is included in the list of World Heritage Site, that is those places which are very beautiful, visited by maximum number of people, and they have universal value itself. That those places are included in the list of sites that is called World Heritage Sites. So this is one of World Heritage Sites. It is called Valley of Flowers. Okay, children. This is Kumbhalgarh Fort. Let's know about it. It is known as the Jewel of Mewar, which is situated in Rajasthan district in Rajasthan. It has its own beauty. See the unique qualities of it. It has 360 temples. The place has one more very major attraction, that is Kumbhalgarh Wildlife Sanctuary that surrounds the fort. Wildlife Sanctuary, you understand children? Wildlife Sanctuary means the place where part of the forest where wild animals are protected. They are given shelter, and if you want to visit wild animals, you have to go in a covered vehicle, but animals will be roaming free in that. Okay, they'll be roaming free in the natural surrounding. So Kumbhalgarh Natural Wildlife Sanctuary is surrounding this fort. Here one can take heritage walk, do adventure activities, and also spend time in the lap of nature. It is so beautiful that you can go on a heritage walk. Heritage walk means where you can explore the place, know about some new things about that place, okay, which people have not visited. Go to those places and find out new things, and that will help to preserve our heritage also. And it is so beautiful that you will enjoy the nature. Lap of nature means nature ki good mein. You can enjoy the nature. It is so beautiful. Is it clear, children? Now it is quiz time, children. Let's do. This is a saline soda lake located in Buldhana district, Maharashtra. It was created by the meteor impact. Okay. The answer is Lonar Lake. The answer is Lonar Lake. Second one, which of the following is the smallest hill station in India that provides dramatic view of sunrise and sunset? The answer is D, Mathiran, Maharashtra. Then the third question, which of the following is the largest river island in the world situated in the midstream of the river Brahmaputra in Assam? The answer is Majuli. 3. Majuli. A. Majuli. Then 4th, this is the waterfall located in the east of Khasi Hills near Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. Okay, the answer is C. Nohkalikai Falls. Nohkalikai Falls. So children, you mark these answers carefully and mark it with pencil only. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and understood. Okay, see you in the next video, children. Thank you.